Kitche, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Kitche is the name of an app introduced initially in the UK that aims to cut kitchen waste. The plan is to bring it to the US as well. Co-founder and CEO Alex Vlassopulos says the app scans your supermarket receipts, reminds you to use the food before it goes bad, and even can provide you with recipes.
And one of the reasons we created Kitche is I was in the park with friends and they were complaining about their food waste at home, which I didn't understand. I cook at home. For my family, I don't waste food. And they were saying we forget what we've got at home. We go shopping and we buy it again. So this solves that problem because you have an on-the-go version of your kitchen in an app.
It's among the hottest apps in the UK, and we look forward to it coming here. The site for more info is kitche.co. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.